Hi all, here this is Veni from MBA department. Here we are going to see the topic which is called investment portfolio. And the topic which is covered under security analysis and portfolio management. That paper is come under finance elective in third semester. So before going into the topic, we have a small overview about security analysis and portfolio management. This is a paper which is covered totally about how the people can invest it, what are the types of investment available in the stock market, and what are the analysis will help the investor to invest best alternatives. And also, this paper helps to construct the portfolio and to identify the proper selection as per the requirement by the client or as well as the company. So this paper have an overview about what is called investment, how we invested, when it will be invested, which mode you can invest it. So it is a paper which is fully covered under the category to invest the money in stock exchange market at different portfolios. So here I'm taking the topic which is called as portfolio investment. It is also the topic and also quite related to case study. I'm taking the Wipro Limited for last year, March 31st, 2024 year-end report about the investment. How the Wipro Limited can invest it and how it is beneficial, whether the investment in stock exchange market going uplifted in the market with the help of the investors. So we have a case study as well as the lecture notes regarding portfolio investment. Before we going into the topic, we have to know what is called investment. So investment is nothing but simply we invested money in the form of simply we know once we invested means we can get back along with some interest other than our investment amount. So investment in buildings, machinery, gold, metals, whatever it is. So here the investment will be in a form of uh, e-content, e-paper, which is called a stock exchange. How converted the money just converted into share or bond or debenture, whatever it is. These are also the investment category. How the people can invest it and get back amount along with their interest. So here I'm mentioning the safe harbor. So this presentation is fully contained about forward-looking statement, which is called how the Wipro invested in different manner and in each and every sector how they get back their investment and how the process which is going. So here I said safe harbor, which is called transferring pricing safe harbor rule. There is a rule which is called as SHR. Most probably this rule can be implemented in international trade in stock exchange. So here this SHR rule will help to maintain proper documentation and also it reduce some charges while in international investment in stock exchange. So this presentation is also included stock exchange investment status in Wipro, and also they refer many investment in many sectors, and most probably Wipro makes no representation. So we find out those data only on the website. So we find out the data which is in the form of secondary data only. And the main agenda of this case study will be what is the performance track of the Wipro and what are the opportunities which is available in the market and how the strategy will be used and how that particular strategy will successfully in the process and some key highlight which is highlighted by the Wipro. These are the four major agenda. Before going into the topic, we all know about Wipro. So Wipro is a company which is specializing in IT, outsourcing, consulting, whatever it is. And also, Wipro also used many consumer product, which is already I'm shown here, Chandrika, Sentu. These also come under the category of Wipro product. Generally, Wipro's headquarters in Bangalore and IT sector, Wipro play the vital role. Still, they compete the market. So this is the overview about the Wipro, and it started. All we know it is 1945. It uplifted in every or 5 years we uplifted. So now it is one of the leading company in IT sector consulting and moreover in a consumer product goods also. So Wipro track performance in IT sectors. I taken money in IT sector, and we see the chart itself. We know on 2012, upcoming 13, 14. Now this 2023 and 24. It is quite increasing only. Even though in Corona situation around 13 or 14 and all, they have some faces many struggles, but still they maintain their revenue. So the major highlight is first part is partner to industry. So Wipro having 10 lakh plus customer, I mean employees, but they have 1,371 global clients, especially, and also they support their employees in many things. They provide many welfare, especially in women's and all. They're providing work from home. They're providing our flexible for the new mothers, and also they're providing inclusive environment to the people. And also for the come under the category of global footprint, it is a part of NYSE, that is called New York Stock Exchange. So Wipro is the one of the Indian company who listed in New York Stock Exchange, which is come under the index of TMT, that is Technology, Media, and Telecommunication. So we proudly say Wipro is the one of the country which is listed in New York Stock Exchange and also which is indexed in TMT. So this will help. Before we go to the next topic, NYC, that is New York Stock Exchange, is one of the largest stock exchange in the world. It is focusedly mainly foreign deposit receipt peoples are there, and many Indian companies and other companies are listed there. Only the company have capable to capable to uh, maintain the market level, they can list it. And they have approximate six continent and employees from 65 countries only from Wipro. So these are the major advantage they listed in New York Stock Exchange. And also we have 2,30,000 employees, 146 nationalist representation, and in Wipro there will be 36.6% people covered only women. So they equalize the women, they provide maximum facilities to the employees coming from rural areas, how the people can uplift their life with the help of their work and all. So growth wise, we understood that Wipro still maintain their common stability to maintain the business. So these are the highlight which is included in growth IT. Probably for the upcoming year 24-25 and maybe 25-26. For past 2 years, IT sector which is included AI, Gemini. These are the IT AI too. So probably last coming forthcoming year, IT sector in Wipro it will also increase their revenue. And Q4 24 revenue distribution, which is a portfolio. Q4, which is called as quarterly. So quarterly 24, fiscal year 24, how the revenue distribution, which is in the view of diverse portfolio. So revenue mix is nothing but how the distribution, which is in the form of customers and matrix, and also strategic market unit mix. That is strategic market, which is nothing but how they separated the revenue in a geographical area. So America's one, two. It is a geographical area, how they split their revenues. And revenue mix is probably having offshore and on-site revenue. So Wipro is one of the IT company. They provide outsourcing to many countries. So offshore revenue, which is called as the company from one side and the client in another side, they deliver their outsourcing to another country. On-site means the same country, same client in the same place, they are outsourcing. So in revenue mix also, they concentrate 60.4% for offshore revenue. Here, I highlighted the coloring. So in blue color, they highlighted the health, the technology, manufacturing, communication. So here, the portfolio investment in Wipro, they concentrate on health sector, technology, production, and communication also. They contribute selected their investment in each sector carefully and they invested. This is not easy task to invest it in a stock exchange market and they get back the amount. This is not an easy task. This is helped by the investment manager who is also appointed in a Wipro specialized in the stock exchange market. There is a separate team will be there. They keep on analyzing, they analyze the data, they refer the historical data. So they are the main persons, main supporting system to the Wipro to invest in a proper shares and companies. So the overall market opportunities is also is leading high only. So India's offshore IT and BPO export will lead our Wipro. So it is expected to grow 2%, which is called year on year. So year on year for 2024 in physical year, it will probably increase 2%. And also they improve their excellence, expecting improving in the fiscal year of 2025 at the end of starting their 2024 and it is probably increasing 2025. Overall global market size, which is handling IT, now and all, Wipro also concentrate to the consumer products also. So they are not only focusing IT, consulting, documentation. They also come under the health sector, consumable market sector, and production sector also. Here also from 2008 to 2024, there will be no pitfalls. Still, they slowly the process will be there, but there will be the process. There will be no pitfalls from 2008 to 2024. So the main strategy which is used in the client improvement is they analyze the transformation journeys and they probably use holistic value approach to understanding the client nature, the providing business solution with the help, and also they concentrate of ecosystem support to run their business. And they, of course, in previous slide itself we discussed Wipro providing many benefits to their employees, especially women, men. They provide the proper need and basic requirement which is needed by the client. They fulfill. Even they provide riches. They provide to their employees their maternity leave for their husbands also. They provide paternity leave also. So these are the good value things which is practiced in Wipro. These are the one of the key success. Still, they reach their growth level. And in future, that Wipro can be a global leader with the help of fast growing and dynamic innovative company and attracting top talent from different industries. These are the three important ambition will be led by the Wipro. This will be done only the people, only the employees having happy. So Wipro cautiously concentrate to fulfill their expectation, need, and requirement to their client. So automatically they became global leader, having a dynamic and innovative country. They also attracting many different industries. So these are the five important strategic priorities, which is focused, of course, the growth focus, and also how they maintain the strength and the clients and partnership with the sales excellence, and also lead business solution. So they are in the field of IT, industry in cloud, intelligence, AI, whatever it is. They lead the business with a proper solution and also build a talent across the domain. So IT sector means they create a domain expert for their particular job and they provide many workshops, seminars to improve their skills also. And finally, the operational excellence, which is come under the category overall the excellence of the company. So the key highlights. So financial summary of the quarter end here is also you see so quarter year Q4, which is in the reflection of quarter year, and YO, which is a year of end. And this growth will also IT revenue growth, which is around 2,20,796 billion, and operating income is around from the revenues only 36,195 billions only. So they concentrate the level, still they are uplifting the level how they lead, and most probably they are expecting this March 31st and 2025, this will be little increase. So other highlighted is a deal. Sometimes they have considered the cash flows around 18.6 and the net income for the quarter only for the quarter is for 52.2 billion. So these are the highlight how the company can lead and compete the competitive advantage in a global market. So generally, Wipro is one of the biggest and goodwill company who is listed in New York Stock Exchange. And also they highlighted education, ecology, and community care highlight. So they cover overall planet itself. So they concentrate IT, they concentrate education, they concentrate ecology. So in ecology, they use renewable energy around 76%. They support educations also, and they support healthcare, that community sector from their client also. Of course, 36.6% people for a women employee, and also they concentrate the physically challenged people also. Around 1,664 people are working there, and customers' revenues is around 98.9%. So urban ecology, they they provide benefit to not only their customers, is also to the society. Thank you. And these are the overview of Wipro investment and portfolio diversification. If you have any queries or feedback, kindly send your feedbacks to venijjjct.ac.in. And we see one more next or more slide about how the investment can be divided, how that investment invested, which category, whether they analyze the category on the basis of historical data or whatever it is. For the upcoming PPT slides, upcoming notes, we discuss about the investment types. Thank you.